Can you tell me when you failed in 2020, right? When you got the results and you didn't make it. So tell me from that process till now.
Het wasn't for me like I was hier hard geweest. Het was normal voor mij geweest. Ik wou niet met matriek geëerd. I went back the next day of school. I was still working at Woods. It was probably 2 days after. I went back. I asked at school. Um, I asked my class teacher, it was 2019, my class teacher in the IT to assist me with school and Mr. Muhammad, they fought for me and they asked the principal and one of the deputy principal and they had a meeting and I think the next day they said yes I can come back and in 2020 it was can I say impact for everyone on the coronavirus van ons reis geweest. Ons moet werk oor die foto doen, no data, no niks. And I also work in my city also. But so when I didn't go to school, I didn't finish all the work. And when September again, there was prelims exams and I was genoeg gestart daarin. I just push and push and push. Ik moet die bachelor's krijgen, I want a diploma or a high certificate, I want this bachelor's. And I pushed through, do not give up, I had perseverance, confidence, and a trust in God. I can do this and just got it myself that I was looking for.
Okay. So I know you failed matric right in the beginning. So instead of doing just a few things over, why did you decide to do the whole year?
I did something different. It was not many tests and when you do this, you will get many criticized. When you will criticize you, why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? You could just rewrite the two subjects what you need to do. But I think I was young. I was 17. I can do it. I don't need to go work. I don't need to go work. I can do it. Yes.
Okay. And how do you feel now that you passed and achieved your goal?
I feel relieved and happy. And I think I deserve this. Because I pushed through and I worked out.
Okay, and your plans now now that you got your matric?
I wanted to study HR, but I didn't apply. So I'll probably do that next year, but I'm working now again at Woods as usual. Do not give up. I can say, Jeremiah 29 verse 11, read that verse. For the plans I have for you, plans for you to prosper. Die Here wil goeie dinge met jou maak, maar jy moet net druk en jy openmaak vir jou, maar jy moet loop na jy toe. You should hope to that door. And it's gonna be hard, yes, but you should just push through and not give up and be the difference in the community. Just be the difference. Don't worry what other people say, be you and be yourself.